I'm so glad we get to go to our jungle again and listen to all the sounds of the animals. Will you do the actions with me?
Listen to the sounds of the jungle. Elephant. Lion. Monkey. Cicada. Elephant. Lion. Monkey. Cicada.
I loved hearing all the sounds with you. Let's do it again, but this time we're going to hear all of the sounds at the same time. You can choose which animal you'd like to be, but we're going to hear them all.
Listen to the sounds of the jungle. Elephant. Lion. Monkey. Cicada. Elephant. Lion. Monkey. Cicada.
That was fun to hear all of the animals at the same time.